Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang the last battle round ng Benkada. So I won't say it any longer, I'm really excited to watch this. Last time kasi isang beses lang ako gumawa ng reaction video, yun yung I don't wanna miss a thing na kinanta sa The Voice. So na-curious lang ako. So ngayon, ano yung mga kakantahin nila? So without further ado, let's start this. Sige nga. Ay, ito na.
Fly Me to the Moon.
I Fly Me to the
song is like
Moon.
jazz. I like
Truths.
a little bit of jazz music. Alam ko na po ang song because
Fly me to the moon. Ganun ba yun,
when I
ma'am?
was 5 years old,
Tama ba ako?
those were one of my first songs to sing.
Oh my God, magaling tong
Memorize the
lalaki.
lyrics, yung tones.
The light group is, their voices are very light. They're very easy.
Pwestuhan natin to. Magaling to yung lalaki. Ay, yun lang yun. Yun lang yung teaser nila. Nabitin ako
In other words, I think yung mga important parts na kailangan na husayan, like yung run dun sa simula, yung dynamics niya yung tatlo, yung
Okay.
ipad, tsaka yung baba ng song, nagawa niya siya. What pointers we gave to them, which is yung connecting to each other, yung passing on that energy to each other while performing. Kasi it's also very important since they're performing one song altogether and not 3 different songs. Parang pag-translate nung galing nila sa pagkanta sa pag-perform sa stage, which includes not just singing but also expressing movement around the stage and connecting with each other, connecting with the audience.
Be confident and don't think about negatives.
Ay,
Kasi naman natin na
Atake.
nakuha, dapat friends pa rin tayo.
Have fun and do our best.
Just keep working on it then. I mean, it's good that you showed very good progress now. Pero what we also don't want is makampante tayo. Okay? So, keep practicing, keep getting enough rest para as we head into the battle rounds, talagang masustain niyo yung performance niyo. Okay ba yun? Okay, nice.
parang
Let's go,
baby talagang
Tipan.
kausap niya. No? Okay ba yun?
Energy feel.
Go.
Hama na, Benkada.
Hamon na Benkada. Go. Gianni Katniss and Lily. Oh, wow. Ay! Oh my God! What the low notes. The vibrato. Oh my God, ang galing niya. Grabe yung vibrato. Oh, magaling siya. Ay! Ay! Ooh. Ang gagaling nito. Yung last week, hindi naman ganito kagaling. Charis. Ang buong boses, oh. Wow. Oh my God. Amazing. Harmonization. Maganda. Magaling sila niya. Magaling sila. Parang naano tuloy ako. Sino kaya ang tatanggalin? Sino kaya ang yung didiretso sa next round? Or sana may steal, no? Sana may steal talaga. Kasi ang Bakit pinagsama-sama sila? Stress! Katniss, wow! Iba't iba yung karakteristik ng boses nila eh. Sarap nun. I know, right? Oh my God, ang galing nila. Pwede ba natin ulitin isa pang kanta nila? Kasi ang ganda talaga ng pagkakakanta nila, I swear. Ang ganda talaga. Wait. Wait. Sorry ang ganda talaga ng pagkakanta nila. Atake, di ba? So far, sila yung pinakagusto ko sa battles. Siya yung pinaka-favorite ko. The low notes that never disappoints. Tsaka siya din yung bumirit ng, di ba? Siya din yung bumirit sa pangalawa. Grabe yung vibrato niya. Wow! Gianni. Silang tatlo. Yung stage stage presence nila, ang ganda. Iba yung timbre ng boses nila. Ito, powerful din eh. Powerful din yung boses niya. Tsaka ang galing niya bumali ng mga notes. Wait lang, may gusto din talaga. Ay, dito. Meron dito. Yes, that's my favorite part actually. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Benkada. This is Kikimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!